How to turn off Safari restrictions. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off Safari restrictions, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you have been facing restrictions on the Safari browser on your iPhone, there are a couple of ways you can fix it. First of all, you open settings and then you go to screen time, because if you have enabled screen time restrictions, chances are that you might be facing such issues. So let me also look for the screen time option here. Now under screen time, here you'll find content and privacy restrictions. If you have turned it on, just make sure to turn it off if better, and if you want to, then I'll just recommend you turn off the whole screen time itself in order to fix any sort of restrictions. And after you do that, next time when you open the Safari browser, you should not have any sort of restrictions as well. This way you should be able to turn off Safari restrictions. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.